Good afternoon, guys. Today afternoon I'm going to show you how to make perfect latte. Let's get started. Firstly, your water filter should be clean, okay? And then grind the coffee. Okay. And then after you grind the coffee, and with the tamper, this one with the tamper, just stamp perfectly. Okay. Make sure that your coffee grind is in level position. After this one, your ground has to be clean. Just check it's clean, and just breathe the coffee. And then after you finish brewing, just milk the half of the pitcher, or a little bit less than the half of the pitcher, and then steam the milk. The temperature should be 140 degree Fahrenheit to 160 degree Fahrenheit, between this. Okay. If there is a bubble, just knock 2-3 times to vanish the bubble, and stop. Now you have coffee and milk. Just pour your milk into the coffee. Here we go. We have a nice latte. We have nice latte. Thank you for watching.